Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon. For this, open your WhatsApp and go to the setting. After go to setting, there are many options. Click down below, you see chats, privacy account. Click on chats because we are going to backup of the chat. So you have to press on chats. Here you can see chat backup on the third line. There is an option chat backup. Click here. Now you can see in the green line backup now. Here you have to collect, then all of your data is starting backup and you can store it whenever or whatever you want, where you want to add him. So here you have all of your data is backing up. So now here you have to wait some time because you have a lot of data and this it takes times. Hope so this video is very useful for you. If you lost your phone or lost your WhatsApp, you still have a backup in your Google Drive, so you can restore from Google Drive easily. So this is very helpful way procedure for you, and it is an easy way you can protect your backup. So now let's go to Google Drive. Here you can see on the screen, open the Google Drive. After opening the Google Drive, here you have to choose an account, in which Gmail account you want to save your data. So I'm hiding this because this is my personal mail, so that's why. Hope so you understand. And now after selecting which Gmail you want to, go to the setting and a new page appears on the screen. As you can see on the screen, after the new page appears on a screen, there is, you have to again choose an account by which you want to add or backup your data. Here you have to choose an account and go agree all the agree terms and conditions. After you agree all the terms and conditions, there is an option on a second row backup. You have to touch this. After you have to touch this, you have to paste the data and all of information is saved in this. Like and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching the video.